Once you check your version of Java on Mac OS, you're ready to install Eclipse, the IDE of using throughout this course. Go to www.eclipse.org. Click on Download. Then go to Download Packages. You see a number of distributions of Eclipse are listed. There is one at the top for Java Developer that I am using. But there are many others available. You need to install the version of Eclipse for your copy of Mac OS. I click on Mac Cocoa 64-bit. The file that I need to download is with extension .dmg. Now I've already downloaded it to my desktop. First you have to double-click on the file. To install the application, you have to drag and drop the Eclipse file onto the Applications folder. Then I'm ready to run Eclipse. Go to Finder and click on Application. Double-click on Eclipse. If I'm prompted, to make sure I want to open a downloaded application, I click Open. When Eclipse opened for the first time, it asks you where to put something called Workspace. I describe how Workspace work later. For now, just accept the default. And click Launch. It take a few more moments for Eclipse to load up all of its tools. And then it will open to this welcome screen. Close the welcome screen. And you'll be in the Java development environment. Now you're ready to start writing code in Java. And the next chapter, I show you how to write a welcome to Java application and show you what basic Java syntax look like.